The gold American Eagle has been minted since 1986 when President Ronald Reagan signed into law Public Law 99-185, also known as the Gold Bullion Coin Act of 1985. The modern eagles were modeled after the 1907 $20 St. Gaudens design. Each year, the U.S. Mint produces 4 different sizes of the gold American Eagle coins. The U.S. Mint produces 1/10 troy ounce, 1/4 troy ounce, and half troy ounce, also known as fractionals, and the 1 troy ounce. These 4 coins make up a complete set and are available in both bullion and proof versions. While the bullion version of the gold American Eagle must be produced in sufficient quantity to meet public demand, the proof version is produced only when the U.S. Mint is able to, if at all. Since the U.S. Mint was established in 1792, 6 coveted years stand apart from all of the rest. From 1986 to 1991, rare and Roman numeral dating was featured on the first proof gold eagles, whereas every gold American Eagle minted after 1992 is produced with Arabic numerals. In addition to the gold American Eagle bullion coins, in 1986, only the $50 proof eagle was minted. In 1987, only the $25 and $50 proof eagles were minted. The next key year was 1994, with the first year that all 4 denominations were minted at the prestigious U.S. Mint at West Point. And in 2009, no proof eagle coins were minted at all. Call the number below or click on the link in the description to learn more about the value of gold and other precious metals.